Hey guys, today I'm doing a review on the new Acronym Prestos.
Starting with an unboxing of the Racer Pink. These Prestos come in a blacked out Nike box. At first glance you will see how bright these are. The official colours are Racer Pink, Photo Blue, White and Black. Straight away you'll notice these are different from the standard Presto being a mid-top sneaker. The pink is very bright and will catch your eyes straight away, and the yellow label really demonstrates the loud colours this thing has. Next we have Yellow Volt. These things are super bright and remind me of a tennis ball. The back of these Prestos are synthetic leather and a zip which offers a lot of support when done up. The final colour of the three is cool grey. This being the most low key of the trio, nothing too flashy with a monotone colour scheme. Finishing with on foot. The zip works really well and feels super comfortable on the feet. I recommend getting these shoes now before the market price goes higher, because these shoes are a must-have for collectors and they're super comfortable. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.